Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to target your audience with Pinterest ads for better results. First, all you want to do is head over to the Pinterest website and log in. Once you've logged in, if you haven't already, create yourself a business account. Now from the business account, make sure you add in your website first and foremost. Then in the top left, click on the 3 horizontal lines, and from here, click on create a campaign. From here, all you want to do is click over here on new ad group, title it however you would like. Then you will need a targeting strategy, so choose whichever one is best for you. And then from here, you'll be able to unlock the audience list. From here, you'll then need to select from what audience list you would like to target, and then make sure you complete the rest of the options below. And then once you've finished everything, all you need to do is click on publish, and that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.